guys, welcome back to my channel. Today again I'm here with a very easy and quick DIY. This is for spring, but not just for spring, because as you can see it's an A sign, so it has two sides, this side and this side. So I can use this side during spring, and after that I can use this side. And you know, I love using both sides of whatever, shadow boxes, frames, etc. To make this A sign, I use two of those canvases that you can get at Dollar Tree. You know, these ones. They are 6 by 4, sorry. As you can see, I removed the canvas and I used the frame, and I cut this piece, the bottom piece, you can see here. I cut them just with a, I don't know the name, is a saw. Let me see, I will show you exactly what I used. Bear with me. Sorry, here it is. This is what I use. So it's really easy. You can cut it in just a couple of minutes. And I moved it here. I adhere it here. I use E6000 and a little bit of glue gun here. Sorry, I think I was out of frame. And then I did the same with the other side. I printed these cards with my computer, with images from internet. I used, this is a chain from a necklace that I was not using, and two small nails on each side. For the hinges, I used this one. You see them? Yeah. Of course, when we make those beautiful frames that are with chicken wire or just the glass, you are left with the background and the back of the frame and this piece. So I removed this from two pieces of bags of frames that I had around, and then I used the little hinge for the border of the A frame, A sign. I use glue gun, a lot of glue gun, and that's it. You can paint the wood, you can stain it, do whatever you like, and of course you can use another cards, but I wanted just to give you an idea of how easy it is and how cute. I think it's really cute. So, and it's just $2, maybe $3 if you count the ink, the paper, and the chain and the nails. So very quick, as you can see. Hope you like this idea. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, please, if you are not a subscriber already, and ring the bell to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in my next one. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.